Hey, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be doing a DIY wreath and giving you some quick decorating ideas for the holidays. The first one we're going to jump right in. I got this great idea from Creations by Simone. I can leave the link to her channel in the description bar below. An incredible content creator where she does a lot of events and entertaining and weddings and just great ideas she has on her channel. And what she did was she took some hurricane jars and she also took some holiday picks and she added them into the jar. Now these hurricanes are from the Dollar Tree and I deconstructed a Dollar Tree pick. I'm adding those in, and all she did was she simply added water and a floating candle, but it's so quick and easy, but it's such a fantastic idea she has. She has so many of these ideas on her channel. Like I said, I'll leave the link to her channel in the description bar below, but guys, I absolutely love this one she did. And those floating candles, just so simple. It's so quick and easy to put on the table and throw together. You can do this right before your guests get there, and it's a great idea, and I absolutely love this one. Thank you for the idea, Simone. So for the next one, I'm using this Grapevine Wreath, and also I scored these faux cedar branches from Amazon. I can leave the link to these in the description bar below. And I got these bells from Hobby Lobby. They had a great sale, like 50% off everything. I took off 2 of them. I only need about 3. And I'm going to wrap this onto here, but before that I'm going to take these cedar branches and I'm going to go ahead and insert them into this grapevine leaf. They're very pliable, so you can bend them to whatever shape you want. Now you can cover the entire wreath, or you can just add in just enough for your aesthetic. And I think I'm gonna leave some out because I'm going to be putting this on my front door. You guys know I like to keep it simple and easy and not too much embellishments, not too crazy, and this is perfect for what I'm going for. Sort of scaled down, but my tree will be over the top so look out for that video. And whatever you want is your aesthetic. I think this is good for me. And I saw this in either a magazine or maybe an ad for the holidays. I just like the look and I'm like, I'm going to make that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the bells on and then wrap around some of this rope. You can use jute twine, you can use jute rope. Whatever you have on hand is fine. And that's it. I'm probably going to add a little bit of hot glue just to secure it, but I love doing quick, easy DIYs for this time of the year. You definitely want to spend that quality time with your family and your friends and not so much doing a lot of crafting or decorating. You just want to do it and sort of get it done. And I love to come up with really quick, easy DIYs or decorating ideas for this time of year. And I'm loving the way this turned out. So guys, we're done. I'm going to show you what it looked like on my door. And it's just simple, but it's so pretty and I love the way it turned out. For my next idea, I'm going with some clear canisters, but you can use apothecary jars. Everyone has a clear jar or some kind of container in their home. And all I'm going to do, guys, is grab some Epsom salt and add it in. And if you have any miniatures sitting around, you can use those. This is so subjective. Whatever you like is what you add in it. And I love doing quick, easy decorating ideas like this. And they look amazing and it takes a little effort. Everyone has some Epsom salt. So I picked up these cute little decorative houses from Hobby Lobby, 50% off. Love that store. And I'm adding in the Dollar Tree, a little one of those little trees from the Dollar Tree just to give it a little scenery. I think it looks amazing. So simple, you can add in lots of color if you want. So many ideas you can do with this. I love clear canisters. They're perfect for these ideas. I think these little lighted houses are perfect for the holidays. These are sort of simple and I love the look of them. They don't have a lot of glitter on them, but I love the way they look. Now this tree was a little large, so I'm going to trade that out, but like I said, you can use so many different items. I grabbed a couple of pine cones, threw them in there and it looks amazing. But like I said, those little miniatures would be perfect for this. Now, a lot of Apothecary jars do have lids or toppers, and that's what I'm going to be adding back on. I think it looks amazing. It's so cute. And to switch this up, guys, all you have to do is add on a decorative ribbon. I just added on a red buffalo check just to give you an idea, but whatever your aesthetic is, I can imagine one of those beautiful jewel-toned velvet ribbons for this time of year will look amazing, or even gold, or one that's really embellished with a lot of glitter and beads. Anything you can think of, anything goes. It would look amazing. And when you turn the lights down, it gives such an ambiance and a cozy feeling. I love it. So guys, for this, I'm using a simple wreath that I already had. It's a grapevine wreath also, but it looks amazing. And it's one of those real look wreath that I absolutely love. They're selling these. They're on sale right now at Kirklands. And lots of greenery and garland there. I love the way this looks. And all I'm going to do is embellish it. This will be in my home, and it will be hanging over my range and my range hood. And I had a pack of 3 of these large bells. I think they're so pretty. That's the smallest one out of them. And I was going to use these, but I thought they didn't really look well with the coloring. So I'm using this age one. It really gives a nice finished look to what I'm going for, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just going to nestle that in and tie it on, and it's going to be that simple, not taking a lot of time, and I just love this idea. And because this will be over, like I said, my oven, my range hood, and my stove, I don't want a lot of glitter, and this will give a nice, elegant, clean look to that area and still keep it festive for the holiday season. And I think it looks amazing. And like I said, this will be in the home. I'm going to give you a picture of how it looked on my actual front door, but it looks amazing. But it won't be there, of course. I'll have it inside, but my kitchen is at the end of updates and renovations, so I will show you what it looks like later on. But guys, I hope you like all of these great ideas and that I gave you, and of course the DIY wreath, which is so simple and easy, and I love crafting this time of year. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel, and also hit the bell twice if you'll be subscribing. And guys, I love you, and I see you in the next video, and thank you all for watching.